Hello guys, welcome back to my channel City Food Secrets, and today I am going to share the recipe of chawal ki pini. So guys, like the video and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So guys, add water in a pan. Now add 1.5 kilogram gur in it. Now put ghee in it. Now add ghee in it. Now take 3 kilogram of rice flour. Now add mixture in it. Now add gari. Add peanuts and sogi. Now add crushed dry fruits. Add kismish. Now give it a round shape. Now store it and eat it every day and enjoy your day. So guys, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.